In this lesson, I will show you how to create robot.txt file and how to upload this. So first I need to know what is robots.txt file. Robot.txt file is a simple text file that's site in the robot directly of your site. It's tell robot which space to crawl on your site, which space to ignore. While not essential, the robot.txt file give you a lot of control over how Google and other search engine to your site. Using a robot text file with your website is a web standard. Spider look for the robot.txt file in the host directly of your website. This text file is always named robots.txt. You can find your robot.txt file by going to yourdomain.com/robots.txt file. So friends, here's some example robot.txt files, and you can read this, and below down. So here show this three format. You can choose any one. Okay, so here I copy this and paste here, and copy this and paste here. Sitemap. Here paste your sitemap URL. Okay. Now friends, here is the WordPress dashboard, and now I click sitemap URL from here and click link address and go to my text file and paste it here. Okay, this is robot file format. If you want any page dislike or disallow, then you write here. So if you want to don't read Google this sitemap file or this sitemap URL, then you can copy this and paste here. After pasting, and save it. File, save as, and robots.txt. Okay, and save now. And I go my hosting panel where I upload my robot.txt file. Okay, so now I click here and scroll down, files manager. Okay, so now click here and new window open, and look here, public underscore HTML. So now I click this folder, and here I upload my robot.txt file. Okay, so look this here, upload button. Now I click, and and look this file. So I will drag and drop. So this file are upload 100%. So I close it and reload here. Over here, robots.txt file. So I want to check this file. Here select the file and edit. So now I click edit here and again click edit. So this is the robot.txt file codes.